In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create fun and top-selling low-content books based on current and upcoming events. Now, if you haven't been here before, my name is Rory and I run this channel called Mr. Rosa. And can I just ask you guys to hit that like and subscribe button, as it would be greatly appreciated. But before we get right into this video, I have just a small message for all you guys out there. And that was just, I wanted to say a massive thank you. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I've made many previous channels in the past and this is by far the one that has done the best for me, and I really appreciate every single one of you guys. And because of that reason, I'm giving away 3 notebook interiors, all 200 pages, PDF ready, straight for you to upload onto your Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing business. So this is a isometric paper interior, a weekly action planner interior, and a handwriting journal interior. All niches that are very, very popular at the moment, and yeah, I've talked a lot about them in the past and they will be very good for you guys. I'm giving it all away for free to you guys. Just click the link below onto my Gumroad store and you won't have to pay a single penny. However, if you do want to help donate to the channel, make these videos a better place, I will leave the option for you guys to give $1 or however much you want, but don't feel the need to do that at all if you don't want to. But yeah, anyway, I've left those all down in the description for you guys, so watch to the end of this video and then go and check those out afterwards. But let's just get straight on with what this video is about. So by events, I literally mean events like Christmas, events like Independence Day, and well, I think you guys would be surprised how many events there are out there and how many opportunities you have to create some fun and really top-selling notebook interiors. Now, unlike things like handwriting journals and stuff like that, these event sort of low content books, they may not be selling all year round. However, when you get to that period of time when that event is occurring, you will find that you'll gain a lot of sales during that time. So you can imagine if you have a few event books spread out across the year, you could create a nice amount of income, because as each event ends, then it leads on to a next one that you have a book for, and you keep making sales like that. So although one book may not sell all year round, you'll find that if you create a nice balance of a lot of different event books, then you can make a very good income with this. So yeah, we're just going to have a look in the computer and have a look at some upcoming events and give you guys some ideas, and I'll also leave the website where I get all my events from for you guys to go and check out for yourself. So yeah, let's just dive straight into the computer. So the website I use to get all my sort of events and keep up to date with upcoming events is awarenessdays.com. Now, like I said, I'll leave this down below, and it's a great website to really see loads and loads of different events, and well, yeah, you can create loads and loads of books from this. I think you guys would be surprised how many different book ideas you could just come up with from this. So obviously, one that's happening in the next couple of days is World Humanist Day, and we will go onto Amazon in a second and have a look if there are notebooks like this and how well they're selling and all sorts of stuff like this. But you can literally just scroll down and you have loads and loads of different events. You've got Father's Day in the UK on Sunday. That is a very, very big one. However, 21st of June, you'll be too late if you upload now, because by the time you upload, it'll already have passed and there'll be a lot of books out there which will be ranking above you. So the way I try and create a event book is I try and plan it a couple of months before so it gets into the system and you can be one of the first books when people search for your book to come up, basically. So you've always got a better and better chance to be selling your book, because it will always be at the top. It'll be the first one that people will see when they come onto Amazon. So yeah, Father's Days are a very, very big one. And you can just keep scrolling and scrolling down. National Picnic Week, Public Service Day, National Writing Day. And really, there is loads and loads of different events. Like, a lot of these events I have never heard of, but yet there's people still making books like that and people still buying books about that. So yeah, National Parma Violets Day. I mean, how random's that? And yeah, so you can keep going through, and there'll be some that you do recognise, and they'll be a lot bigger, but there is also a lot of small ones out there which you can just pick and choose from yourself. So we'll just keep scrolling round. Canada Day 2020, that would be quite a good one. I reckon there'd be quite a few books based on Canada Day. It'd be a big event. Let's just have a look. Independence Day, that is absolutely massive. Independence Day is a massive one for notebooks. I'm sure, actually, if we just go onto Amazon now, put all departments, change that to books, you'll find that there is 10,000 results. And if we have a look at the bestsellers ranks for some of these, and you'll find that the bestsellers ranks aren't very high at the moment. And that is due to the fact that it's still a few weeks away from Independence Day, but you'll find if we look, say, in the next couple of weeks to see it 4th of July journals, that these sales will have increased and their BSRs will have increased dramatically. So yeah, awarenessdays.com is a great website to get some ideas for a couple of different event books. So one like this, World Population Day 2020, that's a good one as well. National Vanilla Ice Cream Day. So those could be like, you could integrate some sort of funny ones. I've seen one that's like Bring Your Dog to Work Day. That is also a perfect one because you can tie like a funny joke within the book to help boost it in a couple of different ways. So you can have it based on a niche on Bring Your Dog to Work Day, then based on a niche funny dog books, and then you can have it based on niche if you want to do a lined paper interior. You can just put the niche lined paper interior as well. So it basically is spreading where your book will be if you do something like that, because then you've got 3 different chances of people finding your book basically. And yeah, this is a really great untouched niche that I haven't seen across YouTube talked about very much, but I really believe it is one that can make a great amount of sales. And like I said about Father's Day, I'm just going to go to the UK Amazon quickly and have a look at the sales for Father's Day books. So change the category to books, Father's Day journal, and as you'll be able to see, 3,853. 350. A bestsellers rank of 350. Now, like I said about the Independence Day, it's still 2 weeks away for books to start selling a large amount, but Father's Day is only 2 days away. So obviously there's going to be a lot more sales. And as you can see, these are really well selling. And if you want to get an idea of how something in the BSR 350 sells, if we go to our BSR calculator, put in 350, change the category to books, that is 4,482 sales per month. I mean, just think about that. Think of how much money you'd be gaining. And that's probably because they've gotten there early. They've published it a few months before, or maybe they've had it recurring over a few years so that every year they're getting this amount of sales per month. But obviously when it comes to sort of December time, they won't be getting any sales or whatever. But yeah, that's really how event low content books work. You're going to get a period of time, maybe a week or so, where your book's going to sell really, really well in the like top 10,000, top 1,000, top 100 or whatever. And then afterwards it'll gradually decline. But that's where I talked about leading from one event into the other event, into the other event, and etc, etc. So yeah, if you wanted to get an idea of what kind of interiors you're going to be wanting to create for this, let's just have a look inside this one. Happy Quarantine Father's Day Notebook Journal Gift Ideas. Now, you may be thinking, oh, surely they'd be quite complicated interiors. No, not at all. I think you'll find that all of these are lined interiors. That is really how simple it is. Now also, if you click my Gumroad store below, I've also got a free lined interior which you guys can download and upload straight away. So yeah, that's how easy it really is. All you've got to do is create your cover really, and you can think how long something like this took to design. It's just got a bit of text and a background which you can find literally on Pixabay or Vecteezy or whatever. And, well, they're making a good amount of sales from this. You can create all sorts of different Father's Day books. You could create a lined Father's Day book. You could create a weekly planner Father's Day book. You could create a dot grid Father's Day book. You've got endless options, but you're just spreading out your niche by having it in lined and then in Father's Day. And, yeah, I really believe that events are a great thing to start doing. And if you can get in there early, you have a really, really good chance of making a lot of money. So the big ones you're going to want to go for are Father's Days, Valentine's Day, Christmas, massive, Independence Day, Mother's Day, Grandparents' Day. All those ones will be very big events. And even stuff like Bring Your Dog to Work Day, because people find them funny and want to buy journals about that. So yeah, that was just a short video all about events and how you can create low content books based on events. So yeah, I just would like to say again, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. I don't think you guys will understand how much it means to me. I've got a lot of planned with this channel in the future, and stick around because there's going to be for sure some big things coming with this channel. So you can get in there early. And yeah, once again, if you enjoyed the video, can I ask you guys to hit that like and subscribe button. Next goal is hitting that 2,000 subscriber mark and actually hitting the 4,000 hours of monetization, because then I can start monetizing these videos, and when I start earning a bit of money from these videos, I'm going to be putting all that money that I make back into these videos to make them a better experience for you guys. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you just took that half a second to click that subscribe button and turn notifications on so you don't miss a notification for when I next upload. So yeah, that's all for me today. Remember, go check out my Gumroad store. I've got a lot of nice free surprises for you guys out there to help boost your Kindle Direct Publishing business. And until next time, goodbye.